Hey guys, this is my first YouTube video with sound. I'm not sure if it's working, but today we're gonna be just doing a little bit of farming. I'm gonna give a little farm tour. So I'll run through the farm tour first. I have this house over here that for some reason the sleep trigger does not work. And that's what I don't know why it doesn't work. But then in here, probably better if you see from the back, I have Gear Wrench Modding's 2nd gen extended cab. I absolutely love this truck. This truck is awesome. And if I can open that door. Oh, I can't open this door, but that's the front of it. It's got a blue with a gold two-tone. And all we're really doing today's episode is moving equipment into the farm. But we have our small heated shop, a Quonset, and cold storage. We already have an air seeder up here, and I bought this used and fixed it. It's a pretty sweet Steiger tractor. And then we have a cattle pen over there. This is supposed to be a 70s style farm. Still need to add a couple trees. I was just getting some money to get the rest of my stuff. Yeah, it's gonna kind of be Alice Chalmers case, even though I'm a John Deere guy. And then I need to buy a gooseneck to haul the gooseneck hut, to haul the corn head back, unless I just bought a trailer, which I could do. But we're gonna take the 7030 Alice back to our farm. Also, our farm right there. And I have two little calf igloos that I thought would be cool to have. But I'm hoping that this YouTube channel will get me a little bit of money just to help with my cattle herd I have. And this is just one of the games I play for fun. I'm trying to turn something I do for fun into profit. But yeah, it's my first YouTube video with a mic because I finally found a good mic that I could buy. Well, a half decent one, unlike the other ones that were Fortune brands and stuff. And then we're gonna take the Cummins and get a gooseneck. And tell me if you guys have any recommended mods, or if you recommend me doing anything. I can maybe start a different series, like an earlier series. Oops. Sorry. Here, let's turn on our lights. But yeah, and then I haven't played too much Farming Simulator 25, so I'm kind of still new to the game. And hopefully I'll end up getting plains and prairies, so then I can run some Ford equipment too, because I would love to. I would think, because I'm a PC player, I think I might just not even have to do that, but I'm still hoping I can get plains and prairies. Okay, I was just wondering what that was doing. And then also, I think I'm going to change my channel name to probably just do all my stuff on this one channel. I might make a separate channel for IRL. Like, in IRL I have a 87 Dodge pickup. If you guys are able to talk to any modders somehow, I'm trying to get a modder to make an 87 single cab long bed Dodge pickup so then I can have my IRL pickup in game. And then I'm trying to get a loader on the Alice Chalmers 8000 series I have, like, so then I can get an 8030 like I have an IRL. Well, my grandpa has an IRL, but I really like that tractor. I also might post some Minecraft videos too. I'm still kind of debating doing that. I'm kind of just wondering whether Minecraft would be a good thing to do on this channel too. But yeah, slowly we'll progress into bigger and bigger equipment, but it'll all stay 90s, early 2000s styled. But this is one of the early 7000 series. It's kind of hard to see right now because it's dark, but it's got the maroon. It's a maroon belly, and I personally am a big fan of the maroon belly tractors. Yeah, and then we have a small field back there that has canola on it. And then we need to buy some cows. And then I'm probably gonna invest in a grain truck too, if I can afford it. Oh, jeez, I unhooked my loader. Okay, then this is gonna be our cattle tractor. This is gonna be our cattle tractor, as I was saying, and this will get a forage mixer put behind it. I have this really nice Gel forage mixer mod, and then also, if any of you guys have suggestions, I'm looking for a good just a bale spear, a good, nice one, because the base game one isn't. I don't really like it. And then, honestly though, I love the way this truck sounds when I turn it on. It's not exactly a Cummins, but I like it. We're gonna see how fast we can push this sucker. Honestly though, I did debate when I made this truck. I debated giving it like a stock look because my dad has a 2001 I debated recreating that. It's white, kind of similar to this thing. And then I would have done this blue and silver, but you can't do a silver two-tone down the middle. You have to, it'll only be the bottom, which I'm a little annoyed at. That's probably the only thing I don't like about this mod. Oh, and then I wish I could make the toolbox chrome and then the back rack black, but I have to make both of them that color. And then eventually I think we're gonna get another pickup with two wheels with a feeder in it. A pickup with a cattle feeder, cake mixer in it. I always forget it's over here. But this pickup, though, I think in the dark like this looks extremely good. I honestly like it a lot. I would love to have a pickup like this in real life. The only thing I would change about it is I don't like how much the rear wheels stick out, and I would make it just a Laramie and a Sport. Yeah, so then it's just a Laramie and a Sport. Because if it was just a Laramie Sport, I'd get the cool decal on the hood. Yes, that's why I kind of wanted it to be a Sport. But if it's a Laramie, I get the really nice brown leather seats. Literally exactly 30 feet long. But I think after we haul this, drive this stuff home, I think that'll be the end of this episode. And hopefully by the end of the year I'll at least have 50 subs. Even though I doubt I'll get it. And then I might start uploading some shorts too. I have one I need to upload still. It's an FS25 one, but I whipped a corner in my pickup, and if it was IRL, it would have demolished the thing. But I don't quite know how to speed up certain, like I know how to slow the entire video down, but I don't know how to do that to separate sections, which is why I don't speed this up on these parts. I wish I could. But the squad was they were kind of the people that inspired me to start a YouTube channel. lot better. I don't know why I was driving 6-year hauling a trailer. Yeah, and then hopefully with the money I get from this, I'll be able to get a steering wheel, so I don't know if you can hear that through the mic, the tick-tack, oh boy, the tick-tack of my keyboard, but I'm hoping to get a mic so that, the steering wheel, so that when I turn, it's not, so that I can do gradual turns. All the roundabouts. All of the roundabout right there. I don't know how long it'll take to get that combine back though. And then next episode will probably be, I don't know, probably harvesting that sorghum, and then after that, planting and stuff. I really wish I would have recorded, but I do have, if you guys go on itch.io and look up Dodge is all I need, I have an itch.io page with a save, with the Alma, Missouri save on it. I'm going to be posting a video on it tomorrow, but it's a really awesome save. It's a ranch. It's a big feedlot. It's got 2 big feedlots on it, a horse pen, a normal cattle pen, some chickens. It looks pretty good. I'll post a video tomorrow. And then just earlier today I posted the save on itch. I still need to put a file though with all of the mods. And the videos are already almost 20 minutes long, so I don't think I'm going to show you guys me bringing the combine back, but that's episode 1 of the 2000s, of the 1990s farm series. So thanks for watching, and if you want to, you can subscribe.